SOS UK65. Hey, Louise, can you please put the names of the people in chat with Jean Paul mentioned are also involved with AXEL Rudakubana, as I can't find these links. Oh, great question. Actually, I forgot to show you. So I'm gonna put the first name that he mentioned, which is EGIDE RUHASHYA. I don't know if you see the name. Okay, so that's one name. That was the main guy that he was talking about. EGIDE RUHASHYA, who is the son of RUHASHYA, and RUHASHYA used to be a very important person in the regime of Habyarimana, which was overthrown by the Kagamistan. And the other person that he spoke about was Bosco Ngabonzima. So that's the other name, Bosco Ngabonzima. And then he also mentioned a Lieutenant Theo. I can't remember the other name that he mentioned, but some Lieutenant Theo something, you know? So apart from that, I'm going to show you so you know who this EGIDE RUHASHYA is. I'm going to show you his YouTube. I'm going to show you his YouTube channel so you could go and see. So you could actually go on YouTube and see him. EGIDE RUHASHYA. So he has a YouTube channel, and this is him. This is an ugly guy. You know, this is him speaking in Rwanda on Rwandan media. This is him in Rwanda doing all kinds of, this is his father. They're talking now about his father in that image. His father's name is Colonel Ruhashya. He was a military guy, one of the people who overthrew the previous regime. So this is his YouTube channel. This is him, and his YouTube channel's name is what? Mute it. His YouTube channel's name is called Igicaniro TV, and he's a heavy propagandist. Heavy propagandist of the criminal dictatorship of the Kagamistan in Rwanda, and he lives in the UK. I don't know if he came to the UK as an immigrant or a fake refugee, but if he came as a refugee, for sure he's a fake refugee, because he's in the UK praising the criminal dictatorship of the Kagamistan. So that's the main guy. All right. Thank you very much.